Good morning, friend. Myself S.K. Samir from CSE-C. Now we are going to discuss about impact of 5G technology in present society. Uh, 5G technology is very useful to present society, and we have both advantages and disadvantages of it. Uh, Advantages like it may helps to us to access. It decreases our access time, and it will helps to study on other sections like we can access anything in quickly, and disadvantages like it causes many health issues and all.
Yes, I also agree with you. We have many positive impact. We have many positive sides in 5G. So it has better speed and high efficiency in using. We can transfer any data or anything with high speed, with high amount of speed. So everything will be easy with 5G technology.
Yes, yeah, what you have said is very right, but at the same time, we have some negative sides on that 5G technology. Why? Because it is enough. Actually, it is enough 4G for all the people to communicate and also do some the regular things. But when this 5G has came, they use it to start, and they habitate to use this 5G very quickly, and they are estimating any particular usage as in the high, so that all people all people are using very highly, and it's very dangerous to their mind thinking, and that too in it produces very radiation. For example, we can consider downloading a movie, so that by using 4G, it will be downloaded within 5 to 10 minutes. But when this 5G has came, it is downloading within 1 minute, so that you can understand how much radiation it produces, and how the signal was that much high. They're producing that much of signal. So I'm considering that it was also a negative thing for this particular aspect.
We are in the generation from seeing 2G to 5G networks, where we have some positive impacts during this 5G also. By positive impacts are in agriculture field, we are having more technological benefits like fast forwarding our technical traditional methods, and during and health sector also we are having some laser treatments by using 5G only, um, so that 5G can helpful in our daily to in our needs.
Yeah, what you said is exactly correct, but it has some negative disadvantages also, because due to that 5G networking, fast world internet, there are so many disadvantages like radiation and all that will be affecting on people and the birds. Also, so many birds also decreasing, and it was in endangered species. So many are affecting nowadays, and nowadays youth are also not using the internet properly. They are misusing, and they're misusing it by concluding in a different and in a bad way. So I think it is also a disadvantages nowadays.
In smart cities, 5G can optimize the traffic management, energy consumption, people safety. For example, traffic management can follow a real-time 5G source, and it helps to new technology, and energy consumption manage the energy distribution for more efficiency.
After introducing 5G technology in India, all the telecommunication companies like Jio, Airtel has increased their prepaid and postpaid plan prices, and all the people of this country and throughout the world are now using 5G. So they are keep their 4G phones away, and they're trying to buy new 5G phones. It may increases their country GDP. It is one of the advantage, but it is also impacting their um, on that economical status, because they are turning all their devices to 5G, 5G, 5G. And as she said, it affecting birds. Many birds from other countries like Siberian cranes and parrots are coming from Africa, other countries. Due to this high radiation, they are unable to reach their destination properly.
Yes, my dear friends, I agree with all of your points. And while comparing between advantages and disadvantages, I will go with advantages because before generations, it is very difficult to access the internet quickly. But nowadays, it will very benefit to us mainly for who people well use of technologies. So I think 5G technology is more better to use internet
And also,
nowadays.
I have a point which we need to be considered. Here, a race is going on between the different types of companies. For example, this company is producing a 4G technology and releasing some this much of signal. So the other company is doing competition with the opposite company, and they're releasing the more signal than that, so that the people can affect it to this particular company, and they start using that particular company, so that they're not considering us, they're just seeing the business, so that by doing this all, who will affect us and also the birds and the living animals. So they need to be considered. They need to set the limit. They need to set their signals in the limit, and we should also be in our limits using that particular 5G or 4G technology. Not even 5G, but 4G also very effectively damages our mind too. So that we need to decrease the usage of the 5G technology and that to 4G technology.
Yes, Santosh Raja, I accept your point. But government has to focus on it to observe the frequency level of the network frequently. So government has to focus on that.
And also, as he said, various 5G plans, Geo and Airtel networks has increased their budgets, prices. So middle class, they cannot afford the 5G. And also, if they want to use the internet, they cannot use because of the prices. So, and also, if they afford the 4G networks are becoming um, are upgrading faster, and 4G networks are uh, going faster. It means that rather if we have 5G, we can use unlimited data. But if we use 4G, it has becoming faster to use, so it decreases the network level.
Yeah, they used to try make their mind different, so that they used to
So
change their thought.
they used to
People's
change the
mind.
thought. Based on the people, they have to reduce prices for us, so everyone can use the technology internet.
We want to add some point. As they increase prices, but they are permitting the signal high strength signal for particular areas only. Now we are facing signal problems. We are using 5G technology now. We have 5G phones, but we don't have 5G signal even. But we are paying high cost for prepaid plans. This is one of the drawback from 5G, I think, as compared to 4G and 3G networks.
Yeah, not all areas will getting the
Yes,
same
yes.
signal strength, right?
Today, our phones are not switching to 4G, 3G, 2G signals. It is only constant for 5G.
Yes. Is there any points to add, or let's summarize this? So that considering these all points, we can summarize that uh, considering this particular topic called 5G technology, we're having some advantages and also disadvantages too. So that we can say we should use the any particular technology in limit. Our limit can make us do better things. If not everything should be done in a highway and in a limit way, so that we need to utilize any particular thing in a uh, proper way, so that proper utilization can make proper things. Is okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
బాబు దూరం దూరం వెళ్ళిపోతే good morning, everyone. This is Shalini, and I was about to say discuss a few points on the group discussion, which is brain drain has to be stopped. Brain drain has to be stopped because it is a significant issue which has been raised in order to stop migrating of the professionals from the hometown country to the another country. Brain drain is nothing but getting settled in other foreign countries for in search of the job opportunities and in for the career advancements and just in order to get high packages as a salary. So this has to be stopped by the government by finding out the real gems and providing the facilities for them in order to stop them moving to the other countries. So, what you gonna say about this?
I agree with your point, but focusing on the skilled people who are going for the other countries, we should provide the facilities in our country. When they are moving into they are emigrating in the other countries. Our skilled people, all the students who are going to other country, here we are not able to develop our nation. So our nation is becoming weakened for the development. We can see the other countries, many countries now they are all developed with so much technology. We may see in some of the Instagram reels and newspapers and etc. So what are you thinking about that?
Mainly the reasons of brain drain. Sorry. Mainly the reasons of brain drain is due to
Yes, Reshma, I agree with your point. As you all know that we can go with a live example between the Ukraine and the Russia, where the professionals and the students are migrating to the other countries in the search of job opportunities and for the development in the career advancements and for the safety. So you can consider what not, lot many examples for this in such of the as we can observe the migration of the professionals from one country to another country just because in order to develop in the career. Yeah, that's all about.
I agree with your points, but everyone have job opportunities in the high skilled jobs, but now but nowadays no job opportunities and some people are going to migrate to for high studies to other countries, but not quality of education in our nation. So improving the quality of education.
This can be done by really realizing the gems in our country. The government should provide whatever the requirements and it should develop the facilities for the advancement in the technologies in order to improve and develop our future.
I agree with your points, but many of the people are now going to abroad and they are settling down because mainly for earning money based on other countries and to our currency is less based comparing to them. So the government in our nation should also cooperate with them to improve our currency and to earn more money. We can appreciate the students or the people who are going to the abroad and gaining experiences from them and learning or getting more knowledge and coming back and developing our nation. We can really appreciate them. And our ma'am Kavya ma'am also said us we can go to other countries, but we have to earn more money because our currency is less. The we can gain the knowledge from them and we can come and develop our nation. So what are you saying about that?
sorry, what are the solutions for this? Let me first sorry.
Okay, coming to in order to summarize this, the brain drain has to be stopped. Just getting settled from one country to the another country, we should stop this, and the government should work on finding the solutions for stopping this brain drain. And the technology, the job opportunities should be provided by the government from preventing out this brain drain. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.